Hi, Robert Hartline here with CallProof.com. Hope you're having a fantastic year. The year has quickly passed us by. 2022 is almost over. We're well over halfway done. And I know we're going to be rolling in September soon, in that last quarter of the year. And I have an opportunity for you to join us on our webinar series on how to recalibrate CallProof. You know, many of you loaded your data into CallProof, your clients, your prospects, your salespeople, and created some forms, but a lot of you haven't gone back and even looked to see what your salespeople see. And a few minutes of effort, really, it probably takes, to be honest with you, to be a couple hours of work could go a long way by helping your sales team identify who they should be speaking to and then target those people, make sure that they are speaking to them. And so what I would like to do is invite you Monday, 10 o'clock Central on the 29th of August. We have a series here where we're going to walk you through how to recalibrate CallProof for you. I'm going to walk you through the steps. I'm going to walk you through best practices as a leader, sales leader in your sales organization that wants to increase sales. We're going to show you how to identify your market penetration rate, which we should all be looking at every quarter. And with a little of work, you're going to really help your team identify how to blow up a fantastic rest of the year in the fourth quarter. Love to see you there. It'll be a Zoom link here below. Thanks for watching. And we'll also be sharing a little peek into a new feature that comes out very soon. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.